Just died in your arms tonight.
She's the queen bee, the star. Those other two are just her little workers.
Regina George. How do I even begin to explain Regina George?
Regina George is flawless. She has 2 Fendi purses and a silver Lexus.
I hear her hair's insured for $10,000.
I hear she does car commercials in Japan.
Her favorite movie is Varsity Blues.
One time she met John Stamos on a plane, and he told her she was pretty.
One time, she punched me in the face. It was awesome.
You do know this isn't a hotel.
Technically it is.
Shut the fuck up!
Who are you?
Everybody here be thinking who's that boy?
I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head.
Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend.
Throw spitballs at a great table. I mean, I would never throw things, honest to God. Oh God, you guys can't say God.
Excuse my potty mouth! Shut the fuck up!
Listen, Magnus, I wish I could. I don't know.
Don't speak. It's all about presentation and quality produce.
I'm so fancy. You already know.
Surprised you know that much. Why do you keep doing that to me?
Because I love you. Oh, baby, bye, bye, bye. Baby, bye, bye, bye.
Oh, 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 it's magic. You know.
I wanna get you by yourself, yeah. Have you to myself. I don't need nobody else. Don't want nobody else.